Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and opening Zoom's audio panel. Join the meeting and click the caret next to the mute button. This immediately exposes device choices. Once done, pick audio settings so you can see microphone and speaker selectors, input levels, and test buttons. Make sure the physical mic is plugged in or Bluetooth paired before continuing. This step matters because Zoom defaults to last used devices, so forcing the settings panel prevents wasting time trialing the wrong hardware. Now you choose and verify devices. From the drop-downs, pick the exact microphone and speaker you want. This avoids defaulting to a laptop mic or conference speaker. Then press Test Speaker and verify you hear audio. Speak into the mic and watch the input level meters move. If levels are low, increase input volume or enable automatically adjust microphone to let Zoom manage gain. Make sure to disable auto adjust only if you need fixed gain for consistent audio. Finish by configuring advanced options and testing in meeting behavior. Open advanced audio to enable original sound for music or stereo if you need higher fidelity. This bypasses echo cancellation and compression. If participants report issues, switch to join audio by computer or phone and compare. Once done, save settings and confirm in the meeting. If audio still fails, restart Zoom, replug, or repair your devices, and reselect them in settings. That reset often clears driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.